Chapter 5 Years of War. The Greek fighters are coming across the sea in 1,000 ships. The Trojans hear of this and go into Troy. They close the town gates and wait for war. After many days at sea, Agamemnon's men arrive on the beaches of Troy. That night, they sleep in their tents on the beach. The next day, Menelaus and Odysseus, king of Ithaca, go to the town. They want to speak to King Priam, but the Trojans do not open the gates to them. Priam's messenger tells the Greeks,
"Helen of Troy is happy here, so leave us and go home."
Menelaus and Odysseus go to Agamemnon's tent. They tell the great king everything. He is very angry. So the Trojan War begins. For years, the Trojans stay in their town. They come out and fight. Then they go back and sleep. For years, the Greeks wait on the beaches. They fight every day, and they eat and drink at night. After many long years, young men are old. Boys are now young men. But the Trojan War doesn't stop. One day, Paris and Menelaus meet in battle. All the Greek and Trojan fighters watch them. Paris is weaker than Menelaus, but he is faster. In the end, Paris is afraid. He runs away from Menelaus into Troy. The Greeks laugh at him and call him a weak boy. After that, Helen stops speaking to him. Back in Greece, Achilles is now a young man. With his best friend, Patroclus, he wants to fight the Trojans, but his mother, Thetis, doesn't want to lose him in the war.